Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to speak English. So let's start first. So today, guys, we're going to improve our speaking and tell you some history. I've been learning English, and so I yesterday I was watching a podcast. I just watching podcast. I do watch podcasting, and I was just watching podcasting, and they talking about there is two guys. They really educated and train people, tell advices, give advices, and they know a lot. So they just asking like when it comes to learning language, they said you must know your why. And for me, since I started learning English, I didn't even know. I know my why. Like I was just learning English. Some reasons, but I didn't have a clear why or a clear reason that I'm saying, oh, I need to learn English, and that is my reason. I don't have any other reason. This is the reason I'm learning English. So I was just yesterday asking myself, why do you learn English? Like, what is the reason? Like, why you learn English? So they say like to learn a language or to achieve any goal, you must know your why, and if you know your why, you can achieve that goal more effortlessly. And you self-supporting it because you know your why and you know where you go and where you're gonna do all. You just already your why. So for me, I just asking myself, do you have any why that you're learning English? So for me, I just got a few reasons. I have right now three why or something. So I'm gonna show you those three why. And if you have why that you're learning English or any language, tell us at the comment and I will respond to you. And tell me if knowing your why can improve your language or whatever goal you want to achieve. So for me, I found it like my first why I'm learning English. The first reason is uh, to understand the global world, to understand the people, to understand everybody. And for me, I'm from Somalia. I do speak my native language, and before when I started learning English, and the way now the person I am is completely different. It's like this. When I was just speaking my native language, I was just watching my people. There is a lot of educated people. They do so many educated things, but also like it was just like a circle that you don't know anything around the world. You just watch your environment, you just watch people you already know and what they do and the culture you already have. I don't know any other culture, I don't know any other language. Sometimes I don't even know some countries they are existed because I didn't know the languages, and when I start learning English, I improve my perspective of the global world. I just know many countries. I just know many people. I don't even know that time they were existed, and it become like I learned many things I didn't know. I watch many shows I don't even know. I read books I never think of I would read if I just speak my native language. So first, my why is just to improve myself and to understand the global world, and everybody understand, like everybody is something happening in China understand, America understand, Hindi understand, like Spanish, whatever. They sharing that in English, right? So knowing the language, the global language is really very important, and that's my why. The second why is to be a content creator. For me, I learning content creation, and I just want to create a content. So, and I don't want to share my content, it's just my environment or my country. Like I just want to share everybody my content and my perspective, just share everybody. So to do that, you must know the language. So you cannot share content or just share people something they don't understand. So if you right now from another country, you may understand me right now, you resonate with me what I'm talking about. But if I speak my native language, you wouldn't understand. You wouldn't be here and watch this video. So that is the second way, and the third way is reading books and improving myself, learning, being educated person. So to read books, I must know English. I can read books in my native language, but it really hard to get the books I want to read in my native language. Right now, I'm just stay home and I can get whatever book I want to. But if I just want in my native language, it is really hard to get that books. So to read more books and understand the world, you must know the language. And also you may not understand it when I'm speaking, when I'm reading the book in my native language, it may translate words and you don't understand so much, maybe a deep meaning. But when it comes to English, it's a global language and it translates perfectly, so you can understand the book very well. That is something that really English helped me a lot since I started learning English and understand English, reading and understanding when it comes to watching movies, watching show, watching podcasts. It really helps me a lot. And without English, I can't imagine my life what it would like, because all everything that I learned so far and I improve, it's just when I started learning English. I was just a little boy playing around, before I started learning English. I'm still like young. I'm not old, but like I didn't used to read books. I didn't used to listen podcasts. I didn't improve in myself. I didn't even think about content creation or what I'm learning skills that I'm learning right now. So I think English helped me a lot, and it will help you a lot as well if you become fluently one day. And it's not just fluent; it's not fluently. If you understand how to read books like me, and if you understand it, watching podcasts, you're already on the track and you already understand everything. Being fluently, it's just maybe if you want to share people something that maybe teach them, and that is what. But if you just want to help yourself, being B1 level is perfect. You can read books, you can watch your favorite movie, your favorite shows, your favorite podcast, and understand completely. So guys, that positive thing is that when I started learning English, I or big goals that I achieve, and that's just I want to share you guys. So I hope you learn English or whatever language you're learning. If you're studying, whatever you're doing, your life's gonna be easy for you, and you can achieve anything you desire, and you can accomplish. You're successful, like big thing in life, and as well. So see you guys soon. And I'm just like English learner. My name is Mukhtar. I just share what I learned since I started learning English, or my progress learning English, reading books, listening podcasts. So this is one of my video that I really love it so much, because I'm just sharing you guys the things that I learning and the things that benefit for me when it comes to English or knowing English. I didn't get this without knowing English or speaking any other language. So I think it's good to know English. Everybody should know English. Or like, I don't know, there's many international languages that you can get. Like there's a big countries that close to English, Mandarin, Spanish, Hindi, Chinese Mandarin. So those big language, you speak them, you may get every books well. Sometimes some people, they guys, small country and they speak a language and the language is not that international. So they don't have more opportunity to read books or educate themselves in order to improve life, or some maybe read books. So yeah, it's really interesting for me to know English, and that's my perspective, guys. And thanks for watching this video. That's for all today. Just sharing you my that things that I just know. So have a good one, guys. See you in the next video.